Hi viewers, welcome to our channel BSP Voice with Bitla. Yes, I'm coming with a new guest today for our channel, Mr. Sandeep Kumar from Sangareddy, right, which was old Medak district and a new Sangareddy district from Telangana state. Of course, he's from BV Raj Institute of Technology, passed out 2017, Triple E department, electricals and electronics, right, engineering. Right, he finished in the year 2017, and he got right a job in Capgemini from Capgemini from on campus itself. And after that, he wanted to switch over to the other company, that is TCS. Presently, he's working in TCS, the Bangalore. So it's been working now from home itself. So we got his right appointment for us to right introduce you, so that his experiences may definitely change your mindset for further right career opportunities. So of course, he is one of the middle class students, as I know him. We used to talk to him. I used to talk to him every day. He used to come to me and ask many things, and many knowledgeable kind of discussions were there. Right, he was such a student and was studious, very studious at the same time. Right, quest for knowledge. The student who is this quest for knowledge, so that I found at the time itself, definitely you would have that. At the same time, in the first year or second year itself, he started writing a novel. Of course, it was in middle drop. I hope definitely he will continue the novel again. No problem at all. When time permits,
Thank you.
yeah, he again continues the novel and finish, because he has very good concept and very creative brain. So it's been
Thank you.
working, yeah, in TCS Bangalore for 2.5 years. Before that, he worked in Capgemini, where, of course, he was placed on campus from BV Raj Institute of Technology. So, of course, definitely the people who are studious, at the same time, right, very good at their fields, will do miracles. I hope Sandeep also will do some miracles in his future, taking some break from the routine. So we hope so. So how he is spending his time, and how he right has come across any other right financial problems maybe, or any kind of social problems also would be there. I know his background and all, so that I specially invited him to talk on our show, BSP Voice with Vitla. Thank you so much, all right, everyone, to watching BSP Voice. At the same time, definitely you subscribe. I know that this is only informative, at the same time educative channel. It is not any kind of like gossips or anything like. So purely informative from the alumni of BBRIT and other colleges. And further, we go for the other guests too. Your encouragement is only by subscribing the channel. So today we have, all right, Mr. Sandeep Kumar from TCS. He is an associate engineer, where he's working SAP, SAP, of course, basis platform, that consultancy at Bangalore TCS campus. Welcome, Sandeep Kumar, to BSP Voice.
Hi, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share my experience and how I got into pieces.
Yeah.
As you said, I was from middle class family. There was no one for me to guide to get into particular path. It's like school is done. So, as a middle class family, my father has, and like even my father side or mother side, like no one is educated. They have zero knowledge regarding like how the outside world works, regarding this any IT industry or those things. So they're just like a normal, typical middle class guy. I choose engineering, and electrical was not like my first choice. I didn't have any other choice, so I got into electrical. So after from once I get into what you said BTech, there my knowledge has been enhanced. Like I have got opportunity to choose myself. So due to my family and financial reasons, the utmost the thing which I need to do is like to get into job. So that was the thing I was running in my mind. Like I need to get into job or I need to get a job before leaving the college. So I interacted with my seniors and like how do we need to get a job? So they say only two things, like to get into a job you need to have good soft skills, communication skills, and have good programming knowledge. Till that time I was like, bit type of introvert, not what you say, that expressive. Or I was like, before joining or before getting to BTech, like a bit shy to myself. And my greatest weakness was communication. Like I used to hesitate or to go and talk with, to approach people. It was like very difficult for me.
Yes,
But
yes.
when I joined BTech, like after during our BTech and during your English classes, the jam sessions and group discussions, that helped a lot. Like that boosted. There I thought like I need not to be shy. If I shy now, I know like how I'm going forward. So that's the time I break my bonds with the help of you. That especially the jam sessions and the group discussions where I got chance to communicate with people, like to enhance my communication skills. That's how like I can say like my greatest transformation started from BTech. So there I got awareness and I got a lot of chances to read good books. We can say like I got to watch TED Talks, one of the platforms where we can get immense of ways how can you enhance yourself, even your communication or any other technical things. So TED Talks is the one thing, and I used to follow these people like on YouTube. You can like Carl Sagan, Neil deGrasse Tyson, Jordan Peterson. This is one of the public figures, and the way they communicate. Like first, I used to I used to watch their videos just to listen like how they speak and communication. But later, like how they started giving the deliver or how they capture the audience. For example, if I have an interview, like I'm going see. And most of the time, while interview, we'll have these questions like, "Tell me about yourself," or they will ask, and "Tell me about yourself." One of the basic questions. I'm like, "What can I tell about myself?" Like it's a basic thing. Everyone says same thing. Like I am from this, and this is my GPA, or this is my scoring. I have graduated. So that's
Indeed, you have to
normal.
say the
Like, how,
personality, your personality. You have to say about your
that's how. Like
personality. Yeah.
then I came up with an idea. So
Hmm.
what I thought, like I'll explain my life stages in three parts,
Hmm.
but I should not consume more time. So what I wanted, what I did, like I explained in like I have three phases. First one is my childhood age, like the schooling level. So how I used to think that time, and the
Hmm.
second phase is like staying in plus one and plus two, staying away my parents, how my personality was. And the final third stage, it's like where I changed from caterpillar to butterfly, where I enhanced my skills. So I explained in that one. He was like so happy. Like he said, like I never heard this type of introduction anytime. So this is what they need. Like they and most of things like interviews are like they think they will be like bit serious in selection. Like they are the very joyful persons. Are like he want to give you a job, but he
Hmm.
want the best person for it. So that's how he keep little pressure, but he will. So I had a great experience while having thesis interview, like a thesis interview. Like I went and this all these things were going on, technical stuff, everything. Then in middle of the sentence, he said, "You are not fit for the job."
Oh.
All right. He said like that, like directly said, "You are not fit for the job."
Yeah.
And
What was
this
your
person,
reaction then? What was your reaction at that
that's
time?
what.
Yeah.
And he said that particular thing, and he's staring at me like he's not telling to go away. He's not telling to sit. He's just
Yep.
staring at me. Three people, they're staring at me. I
Oh.
was like, should I take my files and should get up and go away? Or what should I do? This was like, I was like, almost my confidence levels were dropping. Then I said, sir, I agree that my skill set may not be up to the standard which the MNC company requires, but give me a chance. I can mold myself. These are the things. So then I give an example and I explain like how I changed and how I adapted. Then here I brought my all strengths. Like I was explaining, like communication was one of my greatest weakness,
Yeah.
but now it has become one of my greatest strengths. So I explained like how I transformed my strength into weakness, and they were quite happy, and that's how the interview went. Like when he said like you are not fit for the job, there itself like 50% of my confidence levels are gone. I don't know like how I
Yeah.
pulled
That
out that.
happened.
Then I
That is
said like,
the testing of your emotional intelligence.
no, then that time I said like, sir, just give me an opportunity. I have these skills. And I explained him like, oh, my this is the one part. Like there he want to know like how in real life how the challenges you face. And it's not like you just say that I'm a hardworking person, I'm honest. These things they don't want. They need an explanation. It's like if you have that skill, you just need to show him like where you applied that thing. So I explained him that my weakness and my strength at that time, and he was quite happy.
Hmm.
That's the way interview went, and it was almost 1.5 hour interview.
Wow.
They they roasted me.
Yeah. Please,
Very,
can you explain some of the questions what they asked in that 1.5 hours interview?
so should I explain this technical related questions or like soft skills?
Soft skills, actually.
Soft skills, it's like a first basic question, sir. You are electrical guy, and why
No.
you want to get into IT? That
Yeah.
and it's like there are this is in on campus it was not this. While I'm entering thesis into off campus, so
Mm.
he's telling like there are thousands of people who are computer science and IT graduates who are 4 years working there.
Yes.
How can I give you a job? Comparative, if you compare technical skills, they will be far better than. So that was this question, like, and why should we hire you?
Yeah.
And that like you are an electrical and why you are choosing IT? Then I explained him like the world runs on three things. First
Yes.
is food, agriculture. Second is medicine and this
Yeah.
health related. Third is computer related or information technology. So these three things are like three things which are ruling the present technology or anything. So I wanted to be in the one thing. So that's the reason I've chosen this thing. And then I given this example, like at that time, CEO of Rajesh Gopinathan, he's electrical electronic engineering. Satya
Oh.
Nadella,
Yeah,
CEO
yeah.
at Microsoft, he
Examples.
is also electrical
We used to discuss on this.
engineering.
Yeah, yeah, at the time.
Yes, sir. Whichever we have to discuss during our jam session, that's helped me a lot. Then I said like Sundar Pichai is a metallurgical engineer. So I
Yes.
said like then I explained what my point of engineering is. It's like engineer student is a water, and the streams whichever they are just a bottle. Like uh, whichever water you fill in the bottle, it will take the shape. It's not even if I'm an electrical student, I had these skills. I had interest in getting to IT job. So I explained him like from 2 onwards, I started to focus on this programming languages, and I explained like these are the set of languages which I acquired along with my electrical things, and at the same time how I focused on my communication and soft skills. So I explained in that way. So I was quite impressed when I have given this example, and I used all these metaphors, like for example this bottle and water, or I explained it like engineering is not like related. It's not like if you're taken to electrical, it's meant that you need to stick that. You will have like different types of opportunities where you can explore your things. And then in the same way, I was explaining like how I got this habit of reading novels and all those things. Like and I got exposure for industrials. Like I went outside and given the PPTs,
Yeah.
and this way they need to know like what also like is that you have been same from a particular time or like they want to see the change, like how you're changing yourself and how you are upgrading yourself, how you're enhancing yourself. So that type of skills they need, like even in the projects after joining the thesis also, like we will be sent, we're having 2 months of training. Then after that, again there will be like a short interview to whether is it okay, should I, in order to get the project. So there they also test our skills. So is a team player. So how can you say that you are a team player? Like interviewer doesn't know anything about yourself. You need to express yourself. So I always wanted to remind like whatever we did in the first year, that helped a lot. Like okay, coming to second or third 4 years, like much we into our engineering subject and we neglect this like soft skills and those things. But they're more than technical. Soft skills are a lot. So then he asked about my family background, like what my father does, and I told, and they will ask like, what, who is your role model? And I explained about my father. Like I started like this. I have a role model whom I'm observing from last at that time, 23 years. The person who works in the morning, early morning, the 5 goes to work and comes at 12 o'clock at night. I've seen him, and he's the only person like which made my character like this. And everything, whatever I am right now, or whatever have been learning from that person, and I tell like he's my father, and he's a barber. Like
Yes.
he has no knowledge regarding like how this study thing, all these things he works. He just know like if you go to BRIT engineering college, you get a job. He doesn't know like which type of job, and I still cannot explain what I'm working to my father. It's like very complicated. Just like I'm just doing one software job. So it's just very difficult
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
explain them. Like I cannot explain that like I'm working on a SAP and it's a big company, multinational company which develops a software for industry. Like I
Yeah.
like so he was quite happy, and what I said, like I'm the first person sir, to get a job either for my mother's side or my father's side. Like no one had a job actually. Everyone
Yes,
has
yes,
this father,
yes.
the
Because
saloon shops they have.
right, handicraft, right, the professionals, they were only depending on the handicrafts itself. So that it was very difficult in those days to get the jobs for the people who depend on only handcrafts.
Yes, sir. And actually, during like intercomputer while doing BTech, like many of them, my relatives are even said like, why you are spending that much money on his education? He has grown up, and you can teach him this work, right? So he'll come to your hand, like he will be helpful for you. At that time I was also thinking like, what's wrong to learn this thing? It was like he said everything. He said only one thing everything. Like I wanted to study, but I had never had a chance to study, and I'm struggling this much so that you will not do this work. So like, one get the job. Like if you could settle, our family situation change. Like coming next generation will be much better. So what my like whatever the situations, like how hard the circumstances, like he will never allow me to get into the shop. He said like this is my work. I'll struggle. It's like now if 12 hours is not enough, I'll work 2 more hours extra. But you get, so that's what motivated me. So like every time in college, I used to think like how I need to get a job. I need to get it. Without a job, I will not. So that's the thing which kept me running every time. And my communication was horrible. That's the reason in our English classes, every time I used to be first, I was like, this is the best platform where I can test my skill.
Yeah,
I've never hesitated.
used to come to me every day and asked many things.
Because you people are professionals, and I never had a chance to communicate. And see, sir, like aptitude is like it's a set of logic. These are the things I know the formulas. I need up, then I'll get the solution.
Yeah,
Whereas
subject.
communication is not
Subject is
like that.
different from communication.
And the people who are like technically very good than me and their aptitude skills are very high, but still they fail while communicate. They cannot express themselves because they were like I was preparing for this interview from my what you said second year itself. Like first year ending, I started to focus most of my communication skills.
Yes.
I know because this is the big thing. Like whichever videos I watched or whichever, then I came to conclusion like this is not like I need to sit for 3 months. If I prepare, it will not go. Like it will not work in that way. I need to work. It's like daily grooming I need to do. So I planned like that. So I used to watch these TED talks or videos I used to watch on the YouTube. At the same time, I started a habit of reading the novels. That's how I developed. Now it helped me a lot. Even your imagination skills will improve and logical thinking. Or for example, that interview situation when he said like you are unfit for the job. Like if it's a normal person, he might be like little bit drawback. Like he will not have that come with some other solution. But these communications, what I want to say is that communication skills, this cannot be learned in a day or a month or 3 months. Like, you need to
Exactly.
you need to focus every time, and you need to. It's not like just watching the videos and like reading the books. You need to make a habit of communicating it, like talking it. So this situation every student will face. Like when with your friends when you try to talk in English, they'll make a fun of
Yes.
this things happens like it's not like they're discouraged, but it will happen like it will
Happen
be
because
uh,
the people from different backgrounds like you there from the right where Medak district, okay, it was time.
uh, and
So
these people, oh, sorry, okay,
so
go
it was very difficult to the people who come from the district backgrounds who studied in right English mediums. Even the English medium, some of English mediums could not focus for English communication skills. So just English medium is only for the right sake of right brand itself. I think it might be the
ahead.
reason that yeah.
That one is like I was also studying English medium but had not that good communication skills as well.
Yes.
So when coming into BTech, it changed a lot. Like I improved many things, but like that's how like they used to make fun. Like I was like, what should I do? If I cannot talk, I cannot improve. So that's the one reason I used to come and sit with you. So
Mm.
you used to talk me in English. That's the one main reason. So I can improve skills and I can gain knowledge. And whereas I can also like if I make some mistakes, you used to groom us. Like you used to give us like okay, like this, like this. So and one more thing is like I used to come my home,
Mm.
sit in front of the mirror, just talk some rubbish.
Yes,
It
yes.
doesn't. That time I never concentrated like not concentrate on grammar like which tense I'm using. I just want to familiarize that words or even how to pronounce the words. That's how I used to practice those things. And I started this from like right to
Here we can say one
from
saying, Sandeep. Here we can say one saying that a well grammarian cannot be a well speaker. So because when the person who while speaking concentrates only grammar, he cannot project anything.
huh,
That's the
that.
problem. Mm.
And I have believe in one saying, sir, like this: a fool with a plan can beat a genius without a plan.
Very good.
That
Yeah.
was my story.
Yes. Yes.
That I have like I know these people are not working. I try to tell like people like if you speak now, and like we have 2 more years. Like why do now only? So when during the interview they got struggle because I was so confident in clearing this group discussion or anything, and they used to come and ask me. Then I told I try to whatever I'm telling you right now. I tried you people telling 2 years ago. That time you neglected, and all of a sudden if they ask to speak, they cannot speak. And even this jam session, I loved it, sir. Like you just call it, give some random topic, ask us to talk for that
Yeah,
30 seconds or 1 minute. That this type of things helps a lot. We feel like while we were in that phase, we feel like these are not may not be important to us, but in longer run, this type of things help. Like even in working in this project, it's not here. We cannot say no. In college, if there's someone asks you to come and give a presentation,
yeah,
there's a no,
it's
sir.
like testing also. It's like testing at the same time giving marks to. That was the reason.
And
And
at the same time,
interest of the
in
students. Yes,
yes, sir. In college life, you can say no to many things. Like,
yes,
but once you get into job here, there will be no word no. Only word you should say is like no K and whatever you know. I know, I'll do. It's
yeah.
not like you start.
I
I don't
learn.
know.
Otherwise, I learn.
I'll learn.
Yes.
I will learn, and they will never. It's like giving one finger and they'll ask you to choose two. You
Yeah.
will never have option. Like always, you need to be updated. So the things whichever I learned in your, I mean, particularly that first year English session, sir, that helped a lot in communication things. So instead of leaving at that end of the year, I continued like 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. Like I made it habit like just communicating with myself for around 10 or 15 minutes and to read some stuff. Now it's like I just can't live without books. I read novels.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. You will take a break and again move on. That yeah, be break from the routine and move for the better ones.
Um,
It happens after some years. Definitely, that again come back to you to finish your novel anyhow.
that is also sir. Like now it's like more related to career. Like we are in a phase where like we need to settle. I had these things are sometimes we need to what need to be done. It's like what I need to do be done. See, during fourth year, it's not like I need to complete my book. There, I need a job. I need a job. I need to support my family. So sometimes in life, we never get what we wanted. Like whatever we get, we need to appreciate that, uh, and we need to move on. That's not what I learned. Like let it go and move on. But
Yeah. Yeah, very good. So you are actually you wanted to become a writer too. You started writing. How could you get that kind of inspiration to write the novels at the time?
so,
Even being you told me many kind of gists also that is fictional, Meluha,
yes, sir.
Meluha kind of fictional actually at the time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So
what was
actually, I don't know, sir. Like all of a sudden, during my first year, I started to think some bit differently. Like I was sitting in a lot that we have that pool area. So
yes.
sitting and that leaves were falling. I feel like all of a sudden that tree want to communicate with me. It's a bit strange.
Yeah,
So like
even still the scripts are there with you. Whatever you had
huh,
written, the scripts, keep it with you for some time. They will be useful one day whenever you get leisure time to write, think about and write
yes, sir.
again. Definitely, they'll give you some useful information to write further.
Yes, sir. At that time, I was like, all of a sudden, what is like everything is trying to communicate, and we are like so ignorant to these things. So at the same time, it helped me to analyze myself. Like, okay, what actually I'm doing, and what are my strengths, or what are the weaknesses. So in order to get this particular point, what are the things I need to do? So at that time, I started to analyze. When I got to write a book, for example, in other writing book, we build a character. So if you want to write particular character, you need to go in and out of that character.
Yeah, you have to
So
enter into that. Yeah, how would be that?
in developing
Imbibe.
that type,
You have to imbibe into
so
the character. You have to imbibe into the
so
character there.
we need to even it's like the same thing. We need to walk in the footsteps of that character.
Yes, yes.
So I was like, if I just for imagining character, I'm doing this much. What about myself? Like how I need to enhance or like because of that, it helped me to think about myself. Okay, what are my weaknesses, or what are my strengths, and what can I do? So at that time, I just draw one graph. I made one graph and I started to what you say represent my progress, how it is going. Is I'm
Hmm.
really improving my with my communication skills. So whatever I should do homework and I have to come and represent in the class.
You
That's
focused a
how it
lot.
made.
You focused a lot than the classroom or when you talk to me. So other than that, actually, you worked a lot at home too.
I used to work at parallel. I mean, in first year, it's like whatever I used to say, I used to just go home and think about the things.
Hmm.
It's not like whatever I have worked at home, you are going to ask in the class. But I'll do some stuff of homework. It used to help me to speak spontaneously. I'll just think what might be like if they will given some particular topic, how they need to speak it. So it helped me. Like I should think a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
So
That's a great thing.
uh, as it's shown as saying, sir, we need to have one particular plan. Like for example, in order to get into thesis, what I need to do. So what actually thesis needs. So I went, I researched about the thesis company. Okay, this is a company, this is having this many branches. This CEO is this, the CEO for this. And I did homework of those things. So now
Yeah,
then
company
I
background.
got information about TCS. So
Yeah.
first thing, okay, how I need to get into TCS. So they first thing is that aptitude. So what type of questions they are going to ask. When and we have internet, it's like a big ocean of information. Like only thing you need is like bit of patience, and you need to be have good skills like what you want to search. It will provide you everything. So I I download this system. Okay, this type of things they are asking. Okay, in interview, this type of questions they are asking. So I prepared, and it went well, and that's how we get into the thing. And this will be, I mean, if you go any second year, third year student, but who generally now they're thinking to search for job or for one student, if you go and ask them, so they'll tell me about yourself. They can't say.
They can't
They
say it
can't even.
actually. Just to say
It,
that
they can't say.
the qualifications
That
and the
is
things, achievements.
so like,
Hmm.
and interviewer doesn't want to need that information because he can see the thing in your CV or his resume. Everything is there. So why you are just repeating what you are saying? Like, so how can you be like out of that group? So this whatever months you can't get it. Like you need to be work and you need to keep you working. Still again, if I get some free time, I'll watch these videos of this Jordan Peterson or Carl Sagan, Neil deGrasse Tyson, Sadhguru, Osho. I used to watch like first I used to watch like how they communicate like with thousands of people and how
So
they
at the time itself, you started reading the spiritual books at the age of say 18, 19 years of age. Really, you started reading spiritual books. Have you turned
yes,
out towards that spiritual books at the time itself?
like sir, when I read like I have read many books. One thing only like what I found is like things happens no matter what you do. And one more thing, like if you want to do, give your 100% and never leave about the results. Just give your 100%. If it happens as you expect, it's very good. If it doesn't happen what you expected, it's another what you say experience you got so that you can enhance your skills. One thing is like you cannot control outside actions or like what outside things happen, but
Yeah.
you can control what need to be done from your side or inward. So from the spiritual whatever to be happy, like it's all within yourself. It's all within yourself and how you what do you say how you respond to the things. And one more saying is like you can do whatever you want to do, but remember the consequences of the choice you choose.
And
So
one
you
thing,
can choose whatever.
I remember Sandeep, you used to write the quotations also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That
You,
time I
quotations indeed. Actually,
actually
I
the
was really surprised at the time. Yeah, being a student of right at the age of 18, 19 years, you created many quotations. So can you please say some quotations what you created for that?
that time it's been long, sir.
Do
This
you
is
remember
only
any
one
quotations
thing.
at the time you used to create? You used to come to me and say
I
this
used to read
quotation like that. Okay.
this thing I like, sir. One thing is like you can choose whatever you want, but you are never free from the consequences of the choice you make.
Okay. I
Like
remember that
you
you
can,
used to write many of quotations.
sir, like it's almost
Yeah.
1.5 years
Yeah,
break.
they are there with you. The hard copy is there with you now.
I think one book I think I have maintained a diary. I think I will to
It might be there.
get
Yeah,
into.
yeah. See, just sometimes they'll be useful for you,
Act-
right, and others.
Actually, what I say, like during that time we have a lot of free time. Sir. Like during your weekend class, you can experiment with various things. Like you can develop hobby or like you will have a lot of time, which you can do anything. But once you get into like work, like time will be restricted. So now also, if I get free time, either I watch some documentaries or if not, I will get read books. That's days are going like that.
Yeah, you watch the documentaries now.
I'll watch that. I'll watch documentaries. Most of the time, I'm watching this podcast. Like they will send like what we are doing. They will invite a guest and they will explain. Like it's like same like discussion only.
Okay,
Joe
what?
Morgan, somebody.
Joe
Uh,
Morgan.
like one person, like he's like that podcast is very good. Sir. Like
Mm.
recently I saw the interviews of Elon Musk and this thing, like how that person is
Yeah.
transforming complete world. So
So one thing,
that
what was the book really, right? You felt that which had inspired you?
uh, that first book which I read in, actually I want to thank dear editor. Like till that I never had chance to read novels. So one day, like late afternoon, I went to the our library. Every time we used to search for this our normal books, technical books. But I got shocked when I found one self-help book that is called "You Can Win" by
Yes,
Shiv Kher.
Shivkera,
And
Shivkera.
there is one quotation like winners don't do different things; they
They
do
do the
things
things
differently.
differently.
That book, like that was my first book which I was reading, and I like it helped me a lot. Like, I went just read the success stories and it just that was a book which I feel like it influenced a lot because it was my first book and I got read interest to read like okay how he's saying and how these people transform themselves like
Transforming.
even their background and their background how it was and
It's
Wings
about
of
transforming
Fire.
the personality. It's about transforming the personality into reality and positive thinking. Like,
Yes sir, that and one more because you can sell by same author
yeah.
like how to sell yourself as a product and Wings of Fire by Abdul Kalam. These are
Hmm.
self-help books. So some from there at the same time I used to read this fantasy books. So, like,
Yes.
fantasy I used to read a lot. There is a saying like in fantasy book, it's not about a man going and killing a dragon. It's about the man courage to go and kill the dragon.
Yeah.
So even that Immortals of Milor, that book is so great. Like how
Meluha,
a
yeah,
normal
Immortals, yeah, that's Meluha's, that series were very, very great indeed.
and I was like, wow, how like a normal person can become Mahadev, like how he transformed, how like a person from a tribe coming and how he's making that a big Indian territory, a kingdom to follow him. So
Yeah,
how
the
this
actions
thing
make
happened?
the actions make the person God, not the words. So the
Huh,
words we can say, yeah, words we can say, but when we do in action, so definitely the person is called Mahatma or God.
that one is, sir. And one more thing I learned is like, whatever help you come from external, it's like a very less. It might be like just a path, but whatever you want to do, it's like on dependence. Like, whatever, if you say that only you are facing the problems, everyone is facing the problems. You don't know like which type of problem they are facing or like what type of burden they are bearing. So you cannot just say that why you cannot like why everything happening to you. We need to some what I learned from my experience is like accept the things which you cannot be changed.
Yeah.
Just accept it,
So
let it go, and trust. Like believe in yourself. The first thing is like you need to be self-confident in yourself. Even in interviews, that's what they observe it. They know like pressure. Like you may not having the technical knowledge or experience, but they want to see like if I can this person can I take him to our project? Can he handle the stress?
they
So
test
now
your
we need
confidence level. They test your
the
confidence level.
confidence level and like how you express yourself.
Yes. Project yourself.
So like yes sir, I'm again and again why I'm repeating about this soft skills is like they think it's very easy. What they just to go and communicate, but when you are in that situation, the words will not come off your mouth.
Yes.
So as you say, like they just neglect now. When they want at the time, they will not have the time.
Yeah.
So through this platform, I want to tell like whoever the viewers like detect students like one thing: communication skills you need to develop daily. Grooming, try to
That is
communicate.
the first factor to get success from it because this is a projection. So where you get the core subjects, one thing here. So when you want to project your core subjects, communication skills are very important. So
Yeah,
knowing language is
because
different and how you're communicating effectively, right, impacting somebody else, that makes a lot here.
yes, sir. Like you don't know that interviewer. He's stranger, and how can you expect him to give a job? Like he's the one who's going to pay you. So if you just go and say the same thing which is like other 500 students told, he doesn't want it. He's investing money on you. What is
Yes.
product? So you need to impress him. Like how can you do that? And every time he will ask the same questions, and they same he capture me. They're like, you are having same percentage. I interviewed like 10, 15 people from it. They are having same percentage, and
Mm.
there are people who are in good percentage than you. Their technical skills are better than you. Why should I give job to you and not to them?
Okay.
This question they
Yeah.
ask
What
me.
was the answer then? What was the answer of yours then?
I said like, okay, they might be. better in technical skill, but I never compared to myself. I am just comparing myself and explain my progress, like how my percentage were this and at that time. And I also explained him like, and I started to relate it, my qualities with the qualities of the company. I don't remember right now, but this caption I think has some set of every company will having this some set of foundation, but there are 4 rules. So these are the key things to run the company. So I
So,
related that foundation, whatever key rules to my story. Like I related to those things and I explained him, and he was impressed. That's how I the story.
so what was the question really you felt which was very critical at the time?
Uh, Critical question. It's almost like for me, basic questions are like same thing. Like
Which
you
you
are a
felt
technical
that,
guy.
which you felt that just you wanted to right browse your brain to find the answer. So when they asked any question that sometimes you paused for some time to give answer, that any kind of question you faced like that.
Questions I did not test for that, when they said like you are not fit for the job. That
Hmm.
time it was like I was unable. I was like for 10 seconds I'm just looking at them. I was
Oh,
like, should I get up, pick up the files, and should I walk off? Or I was not getting like it. His like interview is going. He asked me to some written program. I read the program. The program was also correct. He said the program correct. Your technical skills are not there, and you're not fit for this IT job. Go and find something like that. He just face. If you said to him, okay,
that is that's what psychological questions. They're called
uh,
psychological questions, testing your
this
psychology.
this till that time, like whenever they ask question, my like answer was like spontaneous. Like they asked me, I was, but when they told like you are not fit for job, it's almost 10 to 15 seconds. I was just like, okay, what should I say? He's telling I'm not fit for this job, so that's where I need to come up with something. I need to give an assurance, like, okay, I'm fit for this job. Then I like took a shot, like, sir, give me an opportunity.
So,
And
so
I
people
was like,
have to people have to concentrate on even psychological questions too.
sometimes, sir, it's not like everyone they'll ask same things. I don't know, like whenever before the like poor people when they came in like 15 to 20 minutes, we'll ask like generally like what about question. They were like nothing basics in programming language they're asking and just asking tell me about yourself. Like that they were saying. I was like, okay, these questions, okay, I can manage I thought. But when I went, and one more funny incident happened. So like when I'm entering, uh, every what to say, they divide into modules like this set of people need to do this. So everyone they were entering three people. When I went, there was one old person, and it's only one thing. And at the almost he was shouting at the people like this management doesn't provide anything properly. Like, there itself my confidence levels gone like okay, I'm not sure whether I can impress this person. While I'm entering, there was a lady. She said, like, give me one set of papers, whatever document. She took and she could like go interview. Interview is done, everything. While I'm coming out, the same lady asked, how was the interview? I said, like, not good, but it's okay. Then I thought like she was the member from that college who's what is
Panel, interview panel.
interview, not from TCS, some other from that college itself who was providing whatever this interview people were asking.
Hmm.
When I said like it's not okay, then okay, it's not okay, right? I'll do once again, and she took me the interview. Till that time, I was thinking she's from college, but she's from TCS classic.
Oh, great.
And the funny thing is, when I said like I read books a lot, and that person is told that once this interface happened, like a mutual conversation started. Like he was asking me questions about like, do you have anything? So I was asking why you spend most of the time reading this fantasy, or why you spend most of the time novels. But I spend that time in reading these technical books, and you will get some good knowledge like that. Like that, he told, and I came out. This lady too. She read, like, okay, you read novels, right? Explain a book in 3 sentences which you liked a lot.
Wow. That helped you a lot,
Then
right?
so now, then I explained about a book. I told this one something. I read a book. The book explains about how did it all begin, where did it started, where it's going. These are the 3 sentences I told. Then it went. I was never expected that that lady was also from
Yeah.
TCS.
Who met you outside and she was inside.
And again she took me, and again there was an interview. But this
Yeah.
is more like
That,
HR things, like
yes.
nothing technical, like more about the hobbies and skills. And the document is like she was asking. Like one more thing is whatever you put in the resume, they will ask definitely. It's
Yes.
like if you don't have an habit, or like if you don't have that skill, and if you put, then you're gone. They're like they also test your honesty. Like there were like In 10 questions, 3 to 4 questions, I don't know technical. I have no idea regarding those things. I learn and I'll get back to you. So we should be honest. Whatever you put in your resume, most of the time they will ask from that itself. So your resume speaks a lot, and that it will be helpful to us.
Whatever you
And what
must
I want to say,
be, yeah, one has to be very thorough, entire the resume, whatever they had right entered in the resume. Am I
yes,
right?
sir,
Yeah.
yes, sir. It's not like that person has that skills, so you are copying and you are adding the skills. It will never work. So whatever you know, even if it's less, and just go and uh, put it what you know. It's not like if you put more programming languages, then you will get a job. The people who entered before me were like one from SRM, one is from WIT. Like they were very premium institute, and projects were completely based on this CS and IT coding related projects.
Yeah,
And mine was
that's
something
con-
related to solar. And
yeah,
that interview was like he was comparing with me that 1 hour, like these people, these projects. Why?
yeah. You
And he was
compared
project
you
no.
you compared the projects with the people who had come from
Huh,
different technological institutions.
huh. And it's like the same thing, sir. Like one more thing I developed is like when in BYD I was like only 800 people were my competition. First, in my class, 72 people were competition. Getting my job is around 90% sure.
Yes.
Communication skills, okay, I'll manage.
Yeah, yeah. That's
Then when I check in my department, 144, okay, it dropped
yes.
85% of chances.
Entire,
Then
entire.
BYD, it's
Two groups
almost
now.
700 people.
Triple A and B.
Then again, beware it. Okay, 700 people, me getting job this much percentage. So how much? So when if it's only competition with my class, okay, I need to spend this much of hours. For example, say 1.5 hours to all these things. When I compared with beware it, okay, then it goes for 2 hours. But when I need to compare with complete all over India, complete pieces like how campus, it's like complete all
Larger
over India
scope. It's
developed.
larger scope of life.
So when we try to compare, okay, my preparation hours, that graph went. So I did a graph, I kind of, I planned it, it worked well.
Yeah.
So
Very good. Very good.
as I said, like a fool with a plan can beat a genius without a plan. Prepare, execute it.
That's it.
We'll see whatever happens.
So definitely that works out when the people have that very right serious right at the same time intensity of the things. Definitely it works out. So it is proven in your case too, because where you are in first year to the transformation from second year, third year, fourth to before you are entering the interview board, really you transformed very drastic. It would not happen to the normal person because I found you right directly. I had seen you how you right struggled for that, and after that really how came out of the things. Really fantastic. One thing you can right give me an answer here. SAP, right? SAP basis consultancy. All right, what's the platform it is?
Actually, SAP is German multinational companies. They develop a product. They develop products for big industries, big companies, which they need. They do like business related software they develop. So, for example, SAP clients are NASA and BBC, New York Stock Market. So, for these companies, Walmart also, for these companies, they develop a software product. The product, it's like it will do everything, all related to financial or HR related things, and it will give suggestions like how business is going. So, this SAP is a company which develops software, business related products. So our work is to support that product. So SAP people will develop that particular product, and we need to support that product, like how they are working on it in development phase.
Yeah.
So this,
Yes, that is the basic. Okay. One more thing. Okay. What was really the struggle of your parents to right see you at this level?
sir, you don't believe this. My father started working at the age of 12, and our financial situation was that bad at the 12 at the time. He used to go and pick up that on roadside they will put plastic covers and those things. Like
Yes, yes,
he used
yes.
to do that work. He used to go and pick up those things
Oh,
for some time. And again, at the evening hours, we used to go and clean these theaters.
okay.
From the age of sorry, not 12, from the age of 9 to 12, he was like that. At 12 years age, he went to one shop person, barber shop, and my father is asking him to teach the thing for him. So
Okay.
he bit him and he throwed him. So it's like for almost 2 3 months, my father daily went. So
Okay.
that person took pity and he used to beat a lot, but he taught my father like how to do this thing. And till now, my father said that he is our God. Even if he get me for 3 months, he is the one who taught me. He is my guru.
Yeah, make them learn.
So
So to make
make
make them learn.
so that's how my father like working there. He kept one small shop with one seat. From there now he has one big shop, 6 seats. He has one own building, and he made me to study. He's when I feel like I'm working hard and I compare with my father, my life is so luxurious. I can't say I struggle, but when comparing to the struggle, which we even it's like nothing. From the age of 8, he started working. Still, he's working right now,
Yeah, yeah.
and he wanted to.
What was your father feeling now, being a software engineer, or where you're working in TCS in Bangalore? What was your father's feeling?
He's very happy and like he's proud and he's just happy, sir. I never seen him that happy. And it's like even not even my father, like my mother. If you took my father's side, mother's side, no one literally no one has a job. Like no one passed 10 plus. Like whatever I do, it will be the first thing. Okay,
Yes,
I'm the first person to pass 10.
you are the
Like
first
I'm the first
person,
to
you
get
are the first educated, and you are the first software engineer in your family entire to the both
Indian
sides,
family.
mother
So
side and father side.
for his side. And he is my greatest motivation, sir. Like the struggles which he went, and he wanted to read a lot. No one taught him. So how he used to, he doesn't know to write, but he know to read it. So he learned while watching news channels and reading newspapers. That's how he self-taught.
Oh,
He will unable to write, but he will do it. And
he's a
he is
knowledgeable.
better than
He is an educated but not literate.
yes, sir.
He's an
And
educated
he's
but
not.
not literate.
Uh, that is correct, sir. Like,
Yes.
and he is better than me Telugu. Like my Telugu, it's not that good, but the way he, so like, wow, if he had an opportunity, like if he had an opportunity to get very good. And it's like my father is the only one who used to work. Like my father, my grandfather is not. He's like just left. He doesn't care much about the family and things. He used to live like Raja, and he's like Raja. And my
Oh,
father, like my father, like he need to take care of himself, and
yes.
he has like one sister and two brothers, so he need to take care of everyone.
Yeah, very
So
big
he's my
big
greatest
family.
motive.
It was a big family, and he used to take care of all the family members too.
He need to pull the things like he made sure that family did not go apart, but now it's been completely different story. And he's my greatest
Anyhow,
motivation, sir.
there
Like
is yeah, the father is the greatest motivation for you, right?
yes, sir. Like
Your father
he's
is the
my strength.
greatest motivation.
Yes, sir. That's
Yes.
100%. Like whenever I go, like whatever decision I take, first I think like, will this decision going to affect in any way? Is it
Yes.
going to make happy or sad? He never put me like pressure, sir. He never tell me like you do this thing. He given me freedom. He just said like, I believe in you. You do whatever you want to do. And he said like, even I am not educated. I'm working like this, but I have a very good name in society. Just don't spoil that me. These things he told. Like wherever I go, just think about himself. Like whichever decision I take. Like sometimes we take very rash decisions. Okay, if I take this thing, how is life going to get affected? Like how the expectations they get on me. So it's always been with this motivation. Like always there has been for me some force which is like you are doing wrong, go in this way. Psychologically, emotionally, in whichever way.
Really,
Is
parents' emotions really sometimes change the attitude of the right children.
I've seen
That
sir,
is only for the development of the children because
yes,
they are happy seeing the growth of the children. So that your father also had seen the same.
and he's very proud, sir. Like I got a job. My sister, she was like topper in degree, and now she's pursuing her PG, and she got married. My
Okay.
younger sister, she got married and still is doing the PG, and she's also got settled.
Oh,
And I
very
have
good.
two younger brothers,
Yeah.
two younger brothers. Now they completed 10. So I just can't imagine how he can pull off all these things. Like he doesn't have a stable
Yeah,
home.
even
He need to
it
work
just
and
only
before
right maintaining the saloon and right after that.
and he never did anything for himself. Till now, he uses that same cycle which he got into his marriage. Same
Yeah.
cycle he uses. Like this is I like
Still,
ride this.
after owning own building and
I know
properties
like
and
and
still he goes by bicycle.
he only knows one thing, sir.
Yes.
Go work, come take care of
Come.
the family. Like
This, yeah,
and
he was
that
committed. Really very good. At the time, the family values are great indeed. So family values are built that here when the people struggle and share with the right family members and they accept the struggle of the
And
right head of the family that had taken great steps forward. People like you today.
yes, sir, like whatever the struggle, even during college fee or anything, he never come and say like there is no money. You go, you do. I'll provide in some way. And I'm still every time like I'm very happy that born to this person like who has this strength. Even being life was so harsh to him. So, like he used to say like when he was in like 8 or 9 years old, my father used to rice. They don't have rice to eat. Some beans they used to eat. Like if there is any festival or something that day, they will get chance to eat it.
Biryani, like pulao. It,
Like
it was called.
normal our rice,
Yeah, yeah, our rice,
beer.
normal rice. Yes.
If there's some beans they should see. Like, what? His life is like hell. And they, when anyone sees my condition, they say, okay, you are working hard, like your situations are difficult. But when I think of my father's, it's like I'm living like a friend's outfit, like the things
Yeah,
which he
it's
provided,
really
and everything. Every time I think only thing, like whatever he provided, I want to provide him 10 times more than that. And the only way I can make him happy is like getting a good name or a good job that
that
makes him happy.
that's possible, right? You have to be right psychologically fit and physically fit, so that we have to take care of our health also.
Parents,
So yep,
yes, sir.
when we take care of our health and we are able to take care of our parents
Yes,
too
sir.
very easily, because psychologically we should not get disturbed by anyone, anything, and at the same time our health must be maintained properly. So definitely we look after only the parents. At the same time we think positively, because well body maintains well mind gets only the positive thoughts
Yes,
only
sir.
constructive works.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
And I'll never stop if the topic comes related to my father. Like he's been such a what you say, great influencer on me. Like whatever I do, it came from him. Like in spite of that struggle, he motivated me a lot. And he never says this like that I'm struggling. I used to see like how he used to spend. And this when I passed out of 2017, had a job in my hand, capturing me. But for till next 8 months, I did not got call letter. It's like those 8 months were like hell for me. I got a job. And every time my parents used to ask like when the college is coming. It's like what should I do? Should I? At that time I was even thinking like I should go and join some call center job, like
yeah,
something at
that
least
was,
I
that
can
was
do.
necessary, because people expected from you, the right parents expect when the person has finished engineering. Definitely
And
the
just like
neighbors ask, mostly neighbors ask, they
they
want
don't.
more things like.
They were like even my father used to not ask like did you get any? They were like you told you got job from college only. Why you are
Yeah,
staying still here? I'm
yeah.
like, well,
The neighbors, they neighbors more anxious than anyone, even parents.
yes, like luckily I got a chance to get into TCS and TCS. It's like I can say my life before TCS and after TCS. It helped me a lot, and I take this opportunity to thank you for me giving this chance to express my feelings
Yeah, no, 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 no.
and
Because
and
I know the
BB Reddy
people.
also. So like BB Raj Institute. Like if I was not in that college, I don't know where I would have this much exposure to get into this MNC company, and
So
for TCS for taking me. And
right, what
Dr.
was
P,
yeah,
sir.
what was the right reason that switching over from Capgemini to TCS?
No, I did not see, sir. Like, I was not getting calls from Capgemini.
Okay.
So I was waiting. At the same time, I attended interview TCS. So I got two call letters came at the same time.
Oh,
So almost like 10 days difference. March 14th was Capgemini joining, and March 23 was TCS.
TCS. Good. Anyhow,
So
the God helped you to join in what biggest company?
yes, sir. And you don't believe it, sir. Like before joining the TCS, the longest distance I traveled in my life was from Sangareddy to Warangal, that to
Oh,
NIT to give a presentation.
oh,
I never went into trains or anything.
okay.
But when I joined in TCS, like I got opportunity to go to Gujarat. My training was there.
Yeah, yeah, it
So
was
I
there.
have, and I
How
got
was that actually? Please tell me how is the professional life there in Gujarat training, and then when you go to
Gujarat
Bangalore?
training. It's like a completely different, sir. Like here when we're in college, we'll get to know different people, but of same state. But when I went to the training, they're like from Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttarakhand. Like it's like a different all over India.
Many India.
And best thing about thesis training was like I got a chance to explore a lot of places. I got chance to go to Dwaraka, Somnath,
Yeah.
Mount Abu. So,
Dwaraka is really you are luckiest person visiting Dwaraka, where Krishna used to be there. Yes.
And even sir, my present tech team, which I'm working, is application team, that 30 people are there from different states, and in that again we have shift people.
Okay.
My shift people, one person was from Tamil Nadu, one girl from Odisha, one from Karnataka, one from Uttarakhand, one from Uttar Pradesh. So I'm from Telangana. So imagine like 6 people. No way common thing, like only India is common thing, like same language is different. So here I definitely need to have very good communication to understand with them.
Definitely.
So
that built a lot. 6 months you were there in the training?
No, sir. In Gujarat, it was 2 months training.
2 months
after training, they directly said like work location. Work location was Bangalore. So, and it was good, sir. Like in Bangalore, like we used a different set of people, and their perception is different, their thought process is different, and the struggles which they went. And one thing is like what I do is like if a person is going from this, I'll try to put myself, okay, if this thing is going to happen to me, how will I cope up?
Yeah, we understand the psychology of different people.
It's like I can get additional experience. I didn't went through that, but I gained my experience. So that's all. Now instead of an introvert, I have become extrovert. Now
Yes,
I never hesitate to
You
go and take it.
Really,
doesn't matter.
Really great transformation I found in you, right? Even language and your pronunciation, right? Fluency. Now you are really rocking. Very good.
So, and no one believes me, like when I say like I was very poor at expressing myself, or my communication is not good. Like what you are saying, like you're saying, and they don't know like background, what all things went to
things
get into
happen.
this
Yeah,
stage.
they find that they see only the present position. They don't mind about the past. Actually, how we struggle to come to this place.
Now it's like it doesn't matter. It's a new person. Like if I want to feel like I need to talk to this person, I'll go myself today. It's
a great journey. It's a great journey, right? From your childhood to right. What was schooling in it? How you were schooling? Right in schooling.
Everyone say like they have very good memories in schooling. Mine was quite opposite. Like I sometimes feel like 13 years. It's like
schooling at Sangareddy only. You were schooling at Sangareddy.
Schooling at Sangareddy, but it's not. I used to be more introverts or like there at that time.
Yeah. Was it government school?
Like, no, private school only. So they concentrate only on marks. Like
marks. Yeah. It was.
If a person, it's like here in college, they concentrate on marks, but they give an opportunity to everyone. Like
everyone to express. Yeah. There are many platforms.
Like
B.V. Raju Institute of Technology has many platforms. Especially Vishnu Raju sir takes care of the students.
Even that CRT training program, that was good in our college. It is like when I say when I met with teachers, people like it's like in our college this had this program. They were like shocking. Hey, wow, that's a very good initiative.
Management is fantastic for us. So management is really taking care of everything, even the faculty members and the students, whatever they have, the problems of anything.
I forgot to tell you that even the teachers off campus, it's almost we passed out of 2017, and TCS off campus started in January. At that time, B.V. Raju, I got a message from B.V. Raju. There are TCS is hiring these people. We are again providing for interview. If you are interested, you can come. After 1 year, I left up the college. Again, they're giving me chance to get into the college and get training to get into TCS. That was like, no one does. That's why I was like,
taking care.
I want to thank you, B.V. Raju Institute for me. Like whatever I got so far, it's like here where it all started. So with BTech and B.V. Raju, I started to see the real world.
Who is your favorite? Who is your favorite faculty?
Definitely, you will be one among them, sir. And you and one person, like during a 4th year, I succeeded one faculty. Like we never talked about anything related to electrical.
Yeah.
Everything it's more about life and philosophy. That's what it connected to
the people. Subject is learned anyhow. Subject is learned from any source of the type, right? Okay.
And he was also like he used to write a book. That's the one the greatest thing attracted me. And
What he was writing then? What he was writing?
He was writing, that book was good stuff. Like he was trying to write a book related to
It was
energy and
technological or the general book?
well, no, it's a book, a novel. So
Oh.
he said like he doesn't, he did not give and drafted it. He given me the raw material. He asked me, I think, how it was.
Okay.
So that much trust he had.
Yes.
And I had a fabulous hours, like how I used to spend, it's like 2 or 3 hours with you. Sometimes
Yeah.
we used to speak like that.
Even in secondary, even in second year, third year also used to come. After third year, second semester, you could not.
I mean, we were coming, for college itself, we were coming very less.
Yeah,
less
that's
like
the
only for
reason, yeah.
training.
Shiva used to come. Shiva also, your friend Shiva.
Now he's in Australia, I think. Maybe he's at home. Like
Yeah, yes, yeah, of course.
And from 3 to it was like we used to just come to college and morning itself we used to go to the auditorium. Like our training we used to start right. So complete day we used to work in this and we again it's like again buses we used to wait. Like I used to go by RTC buses, so bus
Yeah.
time. So when I was in
even
school, like Saturday we used to get timing, so that's how we should come and speak with you. And you were sometimes like I was like more flexible with you, and that's okay. Like I was not hesitant. If I want to go to other faculty, I don't have this much freedom there. I can go and
the
explain my
flexibility
personal
is
things.
approachable.
And with you have this chance of expressing myself, my thoughts, or even about the novel. You are the first person whom I
Even you shared a lot, even your personal life too, and many of things we shared. And okay, good conversation we had indeed. That's why that's why I called you right for interview.
And the best thing about talking with you, so like when I see the time, it's like it's gone. It was I used to meet you at 1:30 and it's nothing 3:30. Like what? I just talk something.
Buses would move.
So,
Yeah, you would come at the
it's
last hour. Yeah, buses would move on.
And even we used to talk till the buses. Like we used to go till.
Yeah. Very good. So that environment climate was very good at the time.
And as I'm saying, sir, like we might meet after a long time, but this connection will be there.
Definitely, we'll continue the same connection further. Wherever you are, I am here for you for guiding anything. So don't forget if any problem you face, anything also, I am here for you, right? Don't worry.
As my father says, sir, like they never forget the hand which you gave the food. At the same time, the teaching itself, I think it's a blessing. So which you held you learn.
Yeah, blessings
so
of elders.
These things which he said. So that's the reason every time I'm taking TCS and you and BB Raj, it's like without these things, I don't know like how my life it might be. So again, once again I'm thanking you for guiding me at the difficult times and for BB Raj Institute for providing me an opportunity to get into this big MNC companies and for TCS taking me and giving me a chance to do myself and to contribute myself to organization.
Very good. Thank you, Sandeep. Right, this is a talk with Sandeep, associate engineer from TCS. I hope really it's a great, inspiring, and insightful talk to everyone. Thank you very much, Sandeep, for being with BSP Voice with Bitla. Your talk is really very good, fantastic. I hope definitely you reach the highest places in your life. All the best for the future endeavors. Thank you so much for being with me.
Thank you.